Hi guys, this is my MP654K, a CO2 pistol, which is a copy of Makarov. I have modified it for some strange reason because I think I just got tired of its original looks. Actually, I bought it in the year 2001. It's about 8 years old, and I have done some modifications to it. You see that the top of the slide had been machined off. This was done to facilitate the loading by individual pellets, just like this. Then you push the clip up, and it is ready to fire, either in a single shot move or a double action. The part of the hand grip has been also cut off. I did this to make the aeration of the CO2 cartridge easier, because with every shot it gets colder, and every other shot, every next shot is weaker. And when I hold it like this, it gets some warmth from my hand, and actually it heats up sooner. So I have also done some modification to the barrel. I have threaded it to accept a standard 22 long rifle suppressor, which is a Chinese make. I don't see if you can. Yeah, here. Oh, sorry. Here's a connector. Now you can screw the suppressor, and it looks like this now. This cartridge has been already used, so there's no danger of a discharge because my kit is around. I have also done, I don't see if you can notice this, I have marked the magazine with numbers. Each number corresponds, do you see the numbers? Each number corresponds to the number of the pellets inside the magazine. Actually, my magazine sometimes can be filled with 13, sometimes with 14 pellets. I have also noticed that shooting it with lead pellets, it is more accurate than shooting it with round BBs. Well, here it is. It is disassembled in a regular Makarov manner. This connector, by the way, was contains of two parts, because first I had a suppressor that was easily fitted with this connector, but then I decided to sell it and to fit it to a standard 22 long rifle suppressor, which is sold to everyone who owns a 22 caliber rifle and is willing to purchase it at no license or no separate permission. This is legal, and I've done this because sometimes when I shoot indoors, it seems to me that the sound is unpleasant to my ears. When you shoot it outdoors, it's you just hear the click, and the portion of gas sometimes even heard to escape from here. As to the shot itself, it's practically inaudible. By the way, you can also open a beer bottle with this if it's necessary. Another change that I made, you may criticize me for that, but I have actually cut a part of the recoil spring, which used to be about this length, because it no longer works, or it never actually worked with this BB gun as a recoil spring. It just puts on more tension. Okay, this is basically... Oh yeah, if you're really interested, I can unscrew this suppressor and show what's inside. It's not a dummy. It's actually a real suppressor. You just disassemble it for cleaning. Disassemble it for cleaning. Here you can see a part that actually suppresses the sound and is made of a very durable plastic. It reminds me of a plastic that is similar. They made the electric kettles off. Here are also two aluminum parts. So the innards of this suppressor are interconnected like this inside. The body of the suppressor is also made of aluminum or aluminum. And at first I was very disappointed that it's not steel, but then finally, when I fired about 5,000 rounds of long rifle ammunition through it with my rifle, I decided that this is a positive feature, because you can easily disassemble and then soak it in water and any cleaning substance, let it soak for a while, and then clean it a little bit with a brush, inside, outside, and then you just dry it out a little bit and it's clean. So I guess this is all. Hey guys, sorry for my bad English. This is not my language and I use it very occasionally. Okay guys, thank you for watching.